Dark hardened tartar, also called calculus, can build up over time and may become visible along the gum line. A dental professional first evaluates the location and extent of hardened calculus before beginning treatment.
Plaque can harden into calculus over time, creating deposits that cannot usually be removed by brushing alone.
Professional scaling begins by carefully removing hardened calculus attached to accessible tooth surfaces. Thicker calculus deposits are gradually removed using controlled professional techniques. Accessible calculus between the teeth and near the gum line is carefully cleaned during the professional procedure. After calculus removal, the clean tooth surfaces may be polished to create a smoother finish. The clean teeth are rinsed and carefully re-examined to evaluate the completed professional cleaning. Professional calculus removal can restore cleaner tooth surfaces, while regular dental care helps reduce future buildup. This video is for general education only. If you notice tartar buildup or gum concerns, consult a qualified dental professional for evaluation and treatment.